I spent months building a profitable digital product business, and now I'm handing it to you. To make things easy, I created a digital product business bundle with 5 high-converting Google Sheets templates that you can customize and sell as your own. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1, the monthly budget tracker. 2, the annual budget tracker. 3, the 12-month weight loss tracker. 4, the monthly habit tracker. And finally, the annual habit tracker. I've included multiple color themes for each tracker, plus simple step-by-step tutorials in video and PDF formats made to simplify things for both you and your customers. But that's just one part of the bundle. Here's the rest of what's inside. 1, a marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2, a sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3, a packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4, an upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. This bundle is built for beginners and busy creators alike, anyone who wants passive income without all the startup headaches. Now let's talk money. If you price each template at $10 to $15 or sell the bundle for $30 to $70, hitting just 3 to 5 sales is enough to earn back everything you spent. After that, you're in the profit zone and it stays that way. Because it's fully digital, you only need to upload the files once, and then you can sell the same files an unlimited number of times without ever paying another cent. Now here's the thing. To maintain quality and keep the bundle from becoming too common, I'll be offering this bundle in controlled, limited batches. Once the current batch is sold, I'll take a short break in sales, giving early buyers space to build and sell first. So if you're seeing this, consider this your head start. Click the link in my description, grab your business bundle, and join the next cohort before doors close. Or just comment bundle and I'll send the link straight to you.